What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be bringing a new series to you guys called Operation Unbeat That Heat. It's something that I came up with on my own, just because a lot of times when I come across these shoes and I do a lot of customs and restorations, it's shoes that are pretty beat up that need to be brought back. And sometimes it's heat, sometimes it's just, normal shoes that are shelf sitters, but you want to bring them back because they're your shoes, you love them, you pay a lot of money for them. But even though all these shoes in this little segment that this series that I'm going to be doing aren't going to be all heat, some of them, like the ones for the first video, I already shot the video, but the shoes are just some Sport Boost 6s that I brought back to life that somebody tried to customize and I fixed them for them. Shoes like, you guys see these Yeezys right here? They're creams. Well, you might be able to see this one better. Let me see. All right, you can see somebody tried to customize these. When I say try, I mean they customized them, but they didn't do a very good job. They did some kind of tie-dye camo design, and the guy who got the shoes after the guy had customized them didn't like what had been done to the shoes, so he went upon himself. He said he used fabric dye, but this doesn't look like fabric dye to me. If you look, there's paint all down it, all around the shoe. It's hard, it's crunchy. No, we don't want that. This shoe already took it off, but that's gonna be the second video in the series where I'm gonna be fixing these, doing a new custom on them. And yes, they're real. I don't know why they were marking there right there, but I have legit checked them with my Yeezys. Not every custom Yeezy is fake, you guys. So that custom Louis Vuitton Yeezy video, y'all need to quit tripping because this one not fake. But anyways, another thing is, I want to know what you guys want to see in the videos from here on forth. I want to do a lot of vlogs. I'm a car guy as well as a sneakerhead slash customizer. So I'm going to be doing a lot of going to sneaker events, a lot of sneaker shopping, picking up new releases. And let me know, I know it's a very thin line between, would it be a thin line or really, I don't know, there's a huge margin between, car guys, shoe guys. I think I might make another channel for that. We'll talk about them later date. Just tell me what you guys want to see on the channel. You want to see more time lapses, more tutorials, more just lifestyle stuff, or what? Tell me what you guys want to see. Also, if you guys want to contact me, Instagram, EB.Customs, you can DM me. Do not comment how much for this, blah, blah, blah. DM me personally, or you can email me at eb.customs@yahoo.com. That's the only two ways. Only two ways. Please do not comment in the YouTube comments asking how much for me to do this and that, because I probably won't respond. But that's it. Operation Unbeat That Heat. I'm gonna be bringing it to you. Thank you guys.